this tutorial to know how to play on two Roblox account at the same time on same machine. There are the multiple reasons to play with the two Roblox account in the same machine or in different machine. I have two Roblox accounts. First is Panda 208017 and other is Panda 208016. I am login the first Roblox account using the Chrome browser. Other one, I will try to open the account in the Roblox player. Let me provide my login ID and password of second Roblox account. After this I would be able to see two windows side by side with the two different accounts. Now let's open the same game in the both window. Let's try the Ballat Dance Academy in the first window and open it. Let's try to open the same game in the second window. Now games are open in the both windows. Let's play the game on the second windows using the arrow keys. Let's try to play the game on the first window using the arrow keys. Here we are able to find out the two players are playing the same game in the same machine. And it's really helpful when you need somebody for playing the game together and testing your Roblox game which you have developed. Even people makes cartoon movies, YouTube videos, merge the contents and played together, like here in the second window, one player is running around the first player and same will be done in the first window. Means first player will run around the second player in the first window. Gamers are using these concepts by making various groups, friends and then making stories and uploading on YouTube, TikTok. Such kind of activities are actually required. Higher graphics and high CPU supported machines. Only one thing is left of adding the audios in the background. So, there are some editing is required. Now tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Please keep liking and commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.